case you don't know, the food industry, big food, is trying to deceive you. That's right, they want you to believe that if you eat your meat, your fruits, and your vegetables, that you need that to stay alive. I say nay. I say you can stay alive on the healthiest drink you can purchase. And that, my friends, is beer. That's right, think about it. Barley, wheat, hops, even water. It's like a health food drink in a can. And in my own experimentation, I think you can live a pretty long time on beer. But sadly, I don't have any extra money for beer. It's a sad, sad situation, and I told myself I wasn't going to cry. So I'm not. But still, if you want to help donate to my beer fund and be my bureau, simply click the links down below. Should be about right there or right there. And any donation will go toward the greatest beverage of all time. I mean, think about it. Beer helps you do so much. Things you wouldn't normally do. Things like dancing. Things like picking up a beautiful, very stable, not crazy at all woman. And of course, it helps you when you want to pretend like you're WWE Hall of Famer Stone Cold Steve Austin. So all those things through the power of beer. All you got to do is click the donate button, and I will take it from there. And if you do, just like David Cook did, I'm making a special introductory video that will be coming soon, and I will give you a personal shout out. All right, let's get on with the video. What's up, guys? It is Thursday, mid-afternoon. Before I go teach my class tonight, I wanted to get out of the apartment a little bit, take a walk around, and I thought I'd take you guys with me. That last clip was from a bar. Luke took me and Sanglai for a couple drinks. He was meeting his girl who works at that bar, Apoa's. And the quality wasn't that great, I understand. But it's nice. A little music store here. They have speakers. See some guitars in the back there. Looks like further back they have some drums. Yeah, but anyway, the quality of my camera is not good at night, so that's why it was a little fuzzy. But they had to close at 10:30. They just didn't have enough customers to stay open. It was about 10:30, and we were the only ones there besides the Luke's girlfriend and the lady that owns the place. And whether you want to believe it or not, I don't drink enough to keep an entire bar open. So they decided to close it down. There are some
how do I want to put this? There are some places that are showing more signs of not wanting foreigners. Again, not directly at me, not in a mean-spirited, get away from me kind of way. But things like some apartment buildings, hotels are turning away foreigners, they're turning away barangs. Because once again, they feel that we brought the virus here for some reason. Misinformation. But on the other hand, I want to say that the Prime Minister of Cambodia said in a speech in Phnom Penh that all treatment of this virus will be free of charge to not only locals but also foreigners who are in the country. So that was pretty nice. Yeah, you can read about that on my Facebook page. I wrote a post about it with a link to the article. The link to my Facebook page is down below if you want to check that out. Apparently, a few days before, Vietnam had come out and said that they will treat all Vietnamese citizens free of charge, but foreigners will still have to pay. And the Prime Minister here took it one step further and said, if you contract the virus in Cambodia, we're not going to leave you to die if you can't leave, if you can't get access to your funds. So it'll be free for you also. Now that doesn't mean if you have the virus you can come to Cambodia with it hoping to get free health care. Don't try that. You will be found out. But just an FYI, that I think one of the poorest countries in the world offering to treat this virus free for anybody who gets it inside the country, whether they're a citizen or not, is a pretty decent thing to do. Other countries should definitely take note. Because once a vaccine is finally discovered, tested, and approved, and shown to be effective, you know the prices are going to go way up because of the demand. So I thought that was pretty nice. Yeah, this place right here is usually pretty busy with wedding ceremonies. But of course, I think many weddings have been canceled here. I haven't heard any of the familiar music or festivities when they have them. Of course, I haven't been getting out much around town, just my area, but I haven't seen any. Nothing much really going on. Somebody wanted Singalai to make spring rolls, so I'm going to work on that for a video here in the future. They love spring rolls. Want to know we can make a video showing Singalai making them by hand, so they can get an idea on how they're prepared. So sure, we can do that. Isn't a bad day out today. It's Fahrenheit 93 Fahrenheit. There's kind of a breeze going on right now, so feels good. All right, talk to you guys later. All right, guys. I guess I should end the video here. There's really nothing much going on. Don't know what else to show you, but hey, if you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments, and I'll do my best to answer them in a future video. I will be having another live stream in about 2 days. Stay tuned to the community page on my channel, and I will put the notice up there as soon as I know for sure the day and the time, in case you're interested in joining us. Like I said, I like the live chats. They're a lot of fun. You can feel free to come in and just observe and watch, or participate, answer or ask questions, give your input into the discussion. We talk about many things, not just Cambodia, so it's always a good time. And also, remember that just a minute, man. I always have people talking. Also remember that I'll be making more videos, of course, but I will need your input to let me know what you kind of want to see during this crisis shutdown type thing, because there's a lot of times I can just walk around and we'll find something. Something will be happening, something will be going on, but not so much anymore. So I need ideas. I need your input. So be sure to leave a comment. Also be sure to check out all my links down below. Donate and be my bureau. You can join my Patreon, support free education in Cambodia on a month-to-month basis, with tiers starting at just $5 a month. Pretty good. And with that, you'll get exclusive video, pictures, updates, and all that good stuff. You can buy my books. They're all listed down below, as well as my merch store. Also, our other channels you might want to check out if you're into people making videos in Cambodia. Those are all very fine channels to consider. And of course, all my social media, so you can hook up with me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and all those good, nice places. All right, once again, I want to thank David Cook. He was my first bureau, but let's not let him be the last. So be sure to donate today. All right, I will talk to you guys in the next one.